Hi, Vanessa here. In this quick video, I am going to demonstrate how to work a cable 3 right and a cable 3 left, which is a right and a left leaning cable stitch. Okay, you will need either a cable needle or I have here just another double pointed needle, just something to hold your stitches. I have used pens and other things that I can just hold on to the needles. I will leave a link for a video to work this exact same stitch without a cable needle. So check that out if you hate cable needles as much as I do. They're not all too bad, but if you just don't love it, I will show you how to work that on another video. Okay, so I'm going to just work over to the 3 stitches that I'm going to work the cable stitches. Okay, so here in these next 3 stitches, I'm going to work the cable 3 right. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your cable needle or your whatever it is that you're using, and then slip 2 stitches off of your needle onto your cable needle. And you can just slip it purlwise, meaning enter the stitches as if to purl. Okay, now you want to hold these 2 stitches in the back. So if you're using a regular cable needle, it is definitely going to be shorter than this and easier to work with. Okay, so with the 2 stitches held in the back, you're going to knit the next stitch on your left hand needle. Okay, then you're going to knit the 2 stitches from your cable needle. You can place the stitches back on your left hand needle if you like. It's just quicker if you knit it right off of your cable needle. Okay, so now that was the cable 3 right. Let's work on the cable 3 left. Okay, so with the cable 3 left, you want to slip just 1 stitch off your left hand needle. This time we're placing it in the front, and we're going to knit 2 stitches. Okay, and then we will go ahead and knit the one from the cable needle. Again, you can place that back on your left hand needle if you like, or just knit it right off of your cable needle. Okay, so right there I created a cable 3 right and a cable 3 left, and just like it sounds, we work with 3 stitches at a time. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.